JBL fans, I am so excited to share with you our new Stadium Marine speakers. Yes, you heard that right. We're taking the JBL experience, we're bringing it to your boat, and we're elevating it to a new level with the Stadium Series speakers. So in the series, we will have a 6-inch coax, an 8-inch coax with the world's first technology, and of course we need bass, so we'll have a 10-inch subwoofer. So let's talk about the performance of these Marine speakers. In the 8-inch version, which you see right here, it is a coax, but I said it's a world's first. So what does that mean? Well, this has a 3-inch mid-range with a 1-inch tweeter, and in this configuration it's set up as a coax, which is great. But you know, unfortunately, a lot of times in a boat, these drivers wind up way low at my legs. Last time I checked, my ears are on my head. So I want my high frequencies up near me so I get better imaging. So this tweeter and mid-range combo will turn and come out with the tool. You then use our patented drip ring insert, put this in with a simple hole saw, and now our tweeter and mid-range are up higher, so I get great imaging that you come to expect from JBL in your car on your boat. Also, we want to have RGB lighting because we want to look great while we sound great going down the water. So we've got this amazing patented edge lighting in here. It does multiple colors. We've also got the lighting on the back of the mid and the tweet. So we've got the ability to sound great, look great, and this is integrated into the basket. So it's not making the drivers any thicker or complicating your install. Coming to you soon, the new JBL Stadium Series Marine.